In this video, I'm going to show you how to, a real simple way to get sort of a consistent print surface. So one thing you'll notice is when you print stuff, wherever there is surface material or support material, if you remove it, often you'll be left with sort of a whiter or milkier color where the support material attached. Like for example, this is Octave black ABS, and you can see the side that was up that didn't have printed material, is a kind of a matte, has sort of a matte black consistent sheen to it. But the bottom where the raft was, you can kind of see, it actually looks worse in person. You can kind of, well, it looks about accurate there. You can kind of see white areas, and that's sort of like if you were to take the filament and just bend it, you'd end up with these little stress fractures, and it starts to look milky. Kind of the same way why, like candy canes you can't see through, or saltwater taffy, things like that. Now, some people have recommended brushing on acetone. I did that. I tried doing that. The problem is that when the acetone dries, it's actually glossier than the normal print, so it looks weird, just sort of in reverse, whereas this is sort of matte, not matte, but semi-gloss, and then the back is, super shiny or whatever. So one thing I saw recommended online is to use a heat gun. Now what this is an embossing heat tool. I just bought it off of eBay. You can get them at Michael's, things like that. It gets quite a bit hotter than a hairdryer, so there is a difference. This will actually, I bought originally to do solder reflow, so this will actually melt solder. So this thing gets quite hot, so kind of be safe with it. So one thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll turn it on, and I'll go over this area, and you'll kind of see this matte area disappear as it becomes the same color as the original print surface. It takes a little bit to heat up. So you can see now, it pretty much looks the same as the top. So I'm really happy with this. Probably what I'm going to do to all my prints, at least ones that I need to see. Now the dark colors like black are going to be the worst case scenario. If you have lighter prints, you won't notice this as much. But an easy way. This heat gun I think retails like $15. I got mine off eBay for like $10. So also works really great for heat shrink, or if you do need to do some reflow work. So I recommend it.